So I pulled over to the side of the road. I'm actually like on the highway, side of the highway. This is my car. And see, it's the highway. And there's like an overlook kind of thing back there. There's like snow everywhere. And being from Florida is different for me. Get hit. There's been cars coming by, so I've been, you know, having to take my pictures quick so I don't get hit. But this is pretty cool. And I'm about to head back to the hotel because this actually wasn't in the plans for today. But I was like, you know what? I'm out. It's a lot of light, a lot of daylight. It's probably the nicest weather it's been. Make sure across the street. The nicest weather it's been since I've been here. So let me get into my SUV. Okay. I'll turn this off. Okay. So nicest weather it's been since I've been here. So it's pretty cool. Um, this is different, but different is good sometimes, you know. So, anyways, today is March. It's a Saturday. It's March 18th. It's March 18th. So I've been here. I came on last Sunday, so I'm here. Tomorrow will make a week. And yeah, it's been interesting. I haven't experienced any racism, but it's been a week. And I kind of go where people have recommended. So I haven't, felt any racism, but I mean, I have felt out of place. I went to this diner today called Anthony's Diner. It was good. Customer service was really nice. Everybody was really nice. But I was the only white black person in there. So that was kind of interesting. Um, but everybody has been pretty nice here. So it's cool. So I'm about to head back to the hotel and yeah. I think that's all I want to do for this video. Besides the clips I'll insert of me. I was just trying to just travel the city. And so I ran upon this school. So I'm going up the hill thinking oh, it's gonna be like an overlook, like a lookout. And it actually ended up being a high school. And so I was like, oh, that's cool. And so I was like, let me get out and take some pictures. So that was my first stop with the pictures you'll see in the footage in this video. And then this is my second stop. So it's pretty cool. And also today, so I went to Anthony's Diner and then I started doing some joyriding. I got some ice cream, did some more joyriding, and got pictures, and then that's where we are right now.